welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen, and so if you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. So guys, I've been doing like so many videos. I've been showing you like so many videos. In my previous videos, I've been cooking, I've been showing you different recipes, and in my last video you all saw my vlog. Like I was invited to some ceremony to cook food, so yeah, that's what happened. If you want to watch that video, please just click in the link down below. So today's video is gonna be so different. I'm going to do Rehydration Solution, ORS in short form. So this solution is mainly for problems like in their stomach, like sometimes they get diarrhea. If you take this solution that I'm going to do today, it's gonna be easy for you guys. So guys, just try my solution. So I'm going to do it in different ways, like in two ways. The first way will be I'm going to show you how, I'm going to show you how people do it. Like people do it differently, you may think that you get salt, sugar and then mix it in water. Oh my goodness, some people are just crazy. You know what they will do? Let me show you. They'll do this, they lay everything on silver plate. So what they will do, I have my salt here. I have my salt. I'll just get 2 spoons. Oh my goodness, I don't know how some guys do this. I really don't know, because this is wrong. Like this is totally wrong. Please guys, if you do it and you think that everything is gonna be okay, no, you're gonna stay with that running stomach. Watch my words. So after putting sugar on their plate, so they get a little bit of salt. They even don't measure anything, so they put on a plate. They mix. Then after they start testing. Oh guys, oh my goodness, oh my god, let me put the whole spoon. Let me just put this whole spoon. Guys, if you know you're doing this method, better stop, because this is not working. This is not working. You're gonna stay with that running stomach, I'm telling you. This is not gonna work. So that was the other way. So I'm gonna show you the right way how to make rehydration solution. First of all, get your sugar right here, then get your salt, over here. So get water, like get enough water. I won't say in measurement because really you can get like what's enough for you. It's according to you, the amount you want to take. So get your water. I'm gonna add 4 spoons of sugar. 5, yeah, 5. 1, 2. Make sure it's full. 3, 4. Yeah, that's enough. So just get a little bit of salt, like just a little bit. This is enough. Just a quarter of a spoon. Then add. Then you mix it together. So guys, after mixing it together, let's test. So guys, to be truthful, this is really for those who need it. Right now I don't need it. So that's the end of my video. So if you like my ORS rehydration solution, give it a test. Everything will be fine. You'll just be as fine as some of us. You'll see this hair, guys. If you like this hair, just contact my girl Faith Azada. She's on point. Yeah, she made this hair for me. Just give me like more ideas what I should do next. I can do anything as long as it's from you guys.